Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to be testing out the new Maybelline Lifter Gloss. You guys, these recently came out and I'm super excited. I saw them at Walmart this week and I picked up 4 shades. There's like a range of colors, you guys, but I decided to pick up 4 that I personally thought were super cute and I wanted to test them out. So I grabbed more of like a peachy pink as well as more of like a rosy, darker pink, and then I grabbed a nice kind of bronzy gold shimmer as well as more of like a white light shimmer color. So I'm super excited to test these out, you guys. I'm gonna provide you with swatches on my hand as well as on my lips as well as some lip combos with the shimmers. So if you guys are interested in seeing how these perform and what my honest thoughts are of these glosses, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so before I get into swatching the lip glosses and showing you guys which ones I picked out, I just want to read to you guys a little bit about the gloss just so we know what to expect when I go ahead and start swatching them. So on Ulta it says, meet Maybelline New York's new next level lip gloss. Drench lips with hydrating shine for a fuller lifted look. Lip Lifter Lip Gloss's formula visibly smooths lip surface and enhances lips contour with high shine. Plus, its extra large wand transforms lips in an easy one swipe application. 90% agree that lips feel hydrated in a consumer test that they did, and it's formulated with hyaluronic acid, and it says apply it for a hydrating, glossy shine and fuller look. So that's just a little background of the glosses before we jump right in and try them out. So I went ahead and I grabbed 4 shades, you guys. So this is what they look like. The very first impression that I got when I saw these at the drugstore was that they look like KVD Beauty packaging. I don't own any KVD Beauty like lip products, but I've seen them online and they look like this, so that's my first impression. So I grabbed like 2 shimmer glosses and a pink gloss as well as like more of a peachy orangey type of gloss. So I'm really excited to try these out for you guys. The first thing I'm going to do is just line my lips. I did just take off what lipstick I was wearing, so you can see just a little bit of lip liner, but I'm gonna go ahead and with the NYX Professional Retractable Lip Liner in Sand Beige. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to quickly line my lips before I go in with the first gloss. So the very first shade that I'm going to test out is Amber. This is what it looks like, you guys. It's a gorgeous, like peachy nude type of color. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hands before I go ahead and put it on my lips. So this is the extra large applicator that they were talking about. I think that is awesome. I'm really excited to see how I like that. And in terms of what it looks like on my hand, that is what it looks like, you guys. Super gorgeous, very like orange toned, peachy toned type of gloss. Really excited to try this on. In terms of smell, it smells really good. It smells kind of like sweet vanilla-y. It is a bit strong, but it's a nice, lovely scent. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Wow. So they're right in the sense that this large applicator does make it really easy to apply onto your lips. My only concern is if you have smaller lips, like is this going to be an issue because it's such a huge applicator? Alright you guys, so it's been just about a minute since I've had the gloss on my lips, and this is of course Amber, and I'm obsessed with this color. This is so beautiful, and I love how it's paired really nicely with the eye look that I did for today. This is a perfect like peachy pinky neutral gloss that is going to be like wearable for any daytime event, even any nighttime event. I'm obsessed. So in terms of how it feels on the lips, it's very comfortable. It's not sticky at all. And I know that there is the hyaluronic acid in here, which is going to really help plump up your lips and add like kind of like that lifter look. So so far, in comparison to other lip glosses that kind of have this formula, I would say that I do feel it's like a subtle cooling sensation, that it is plumping the lips, but it's definitely not as dramatic as like other lip glosses that I have, like my Buxom lip gloss. It's pretty fast where I feel like it's plumping up my lips, especially the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, even though that's got some other stuff in there that really plumps up your lips. But I do feel kind of like a cooling sensation, and I do feel like it is giving me more of a fuller look. Of course, lip glosses tend to do that on its own, but so far it looks really good, and you guys can see on camera it looks lovely. So the next shade that I grabbed is called Petal, and it's this gorgeous rosy pink type of color. I'm really excited to try this out. I'll swatch it on my hand for you guys as well. That is just absolutely beautiful. It's also kind of got like a hint of magenta, super subtle. It's a very nice pink. I'm really excited to try this. So what I'm going to do, of course, is quickly line my lips again with the same NYX lip liner. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So this is Petal applied, you guys. I am in love. This is such a beautiful rosy pink type of color. It's got such a feminine tone to it. I'm so obsessed, and I feel like this is a color that's going to look really nice on so many different skin tones, whether you're lighter than me, darker, you're my skin tone. I feel like this is kind of like that universal pink that will look good on everyone. So I really like this one, and again, I'm getting that fuller look. I'm getting that same cooling sensation. It's very subtle, so it's not like painful or anything, but it's definitely helping the lips look bigger, fuller, juicier, more lifted. Yeah, I'm obsessed. I love this. So next I'm gonna go ahead in with this color right here. This is called Pearl, and it's like a white shimmery type of color. I'm really excited to try this on its own and also on top of some lipsticks. But first of all, let me swatch it on my hand. So you can see it's just kind of like a clear gloss with a bit of a shimmer and shine to it. It seems pretty clear to me. I don't see much happening, but I'm excited to try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips again with the same lip liner. This is the Sand Beige by NYX, and then I will try on the gloss and we'll see how it looks. Alright you guys, so this is Petal applied, and I actually really like it on its own. I like how I kind of lined my lips with a darker lip liner, and then I went ahead and with this. I feel like my lips look like they have a really nice ombre going on, and I love the shine and like the subtle shimmer that I'm seeing with the gloss on top of the just my plain lips. I'm really liking it, and also I find that my lips are looking really plump right now, and I think it's the formula and also the shimmer really kind of helping add dimension to the lips and really attracting attention to the lips and making them look fuller and nicer. So I love this. Honestly, I see myself wearing this on an everyday basis, running errands, going to work. I feel like it's a beautiful lip look for like a daytime event, and I just love it. It's perfect for like every day. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put on Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. I have like a little sample, and then I'll put this on top and we'll see how it looks. Alright, so this is how the gloss looks kind of on top of a lip color. I went ahead in with Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury, and honestly this looks great. So I feel like I don't see much of like a lip ombre now because of course I have discolored lips. So if you're someone who doesn't want that and you want like a plain base for your lip gloss, you can go ahead in with any lipstick of your choice. So for days where maybe I want some coverage for my lips and I don't like how it's looking with just a clear gloss, I can pair it with a lipstick underneath and you can see it looks just as good. And the really nice thing about this one is that you can top off any lipstick or lip combo and it's going to work because of course it's a clear gloss with a little bit of a shimmer and shine to it. So this is definitely a very versatile gloss to have in your collection. So yeah, I love this lip combo. I think it looks beautiful. So now we're going to move on to the last lip gloss. And the very last lip gloss I'm going to go ahead in with is called Crystal, and it's this gorgeous metallic gold bronzy type of shimmer gloss. I'm really excited to try this one. So I'll swatch it for you guys on my hand. So this is what it looks like, you guys. It looks just like pearl, but instead of like white shimmer, you've got more of like a bronzy gold type of shimmer. It's pretty much a clear gloss with just a little something to it. So I think what I'm going to do is try this out on its own with a little bit of a lip liner, and then we will try a lip combo with this as well. Alright you guys, so this is Crystal applied and I'm obsessed. I love how it's a warm toned shimmer. I love it so much. I think it looks lovely with the lip liner, and it actually doesn't look bad on like just my plain lips, even though my lips are discolored and sometimes I'm like kind of insecure about that, but this actually looks really nice. And my lips look really big and full and lifted right now, and I feel like it's really the formula of these glosses kind of doing its thing. So yeah, overall you guys, I'm super impressed with all of these glosses. So I'm gonna quickly try out a lip combo with this lip gloss. So for the lip combo, I'm gonna go ahead in with the same NYX lip liner, and for lipstick I'm gonna go ahead in with Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D, and then I'm of course gonna go ahead in with the Crystal gloss to kind of see how it performs on top of lipsticks. Alright you guys, so this is Crystal applied with a lipstick, and you can see that it looks beautiful. It adds a very nice warm tint to the lipstick that you use underneath. Of course, I used more of like a cool toned nude lipstick, and this kind of just warmed it up and it added a nice shine and a nice subtle shimmer. So of course, if you're someone like me and you have discolored lips and you're trying to have some coverage, then you can of course go ahead in with any lipstick of your choice underneath, and then you can top off the gloss with the lipstick and you can see it looks beautiful. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys end up picking up any of these lifter glosses, do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and let me know which ones you guys picked out, because of course I didn't pick up all of them. There was just so many. I just grabbed 4 that really stood out to me and I personally really wanted to have in my collection. So yeah you guys, I'd love to have a chat in the comments, so let me know what you guys think. And of course, if you liked this video and you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.